Georgie, put your shoes back on.
You can't smell this.
Yes, I can.
I also had extraordinary hearing. During dinner, I could tune out the cacophony of chewing, slurping, chewing, cutlery scraping against plates, chewing, and my father's heavy breathing as he wrestled with a ketchup bottle. But tonight, there was one sound I couldn't tune out.
Why aren't you eating, Sheldon?
How can I with that horrible noise?
What noise?
That irritating high-pitched buzz.
I don't hear nothing.
Me neither.
How can you not?
Wait, I think I hear it.
You do?
Yeah, it's coming out of your face.
I guess I hear a little hum. Refrigerators make noise, Sheldon.
This is new. It's never made this sound before. We should call a repairman.
I'm not spending money on a fridge that's working.
Then think of it as spending money on my mental stability.
Ignore it, Sheldon.
Ignoring things that irritate me isn't my strong suit. Obsessively fixating on them, now that's what gets me out of bed in the morning.
Hi, Mom.
What did you do?
Good news. I found out what part was making that noise.
You have to put this back together.
Now we're going to the bad news.
What made you think you could fix this?
I'm smart. And I had a book.
Do you still think you're smart?
Yes.
I told him not to do it. He wouldn't listen.
$200?
It'll be okay. We'll find the money.
Wait, the old fridge in the garage. What's it? What was that? What's that?
Well, I kind of donated that fridge to the church. You know, for the needy.
Are you kidding me?
I see tense moments like this more than you think. I'll just give you guys some space.
You know how much it's going to cost to fix that fridge?
$200. I have really good hearing.
Do you have any idea how hard I work for the money we get?
I'm sorry.
I don't care how long it takes. You're going to pay me back every cent of this.
Yes, sir.
I'm very disappointed in you.
You know, if you cry, I can't enjoy your pain.